Hi, good day everyone. I'm here tonight to tell you all about nice, a nice little tool called shareX. It's actually screen recording software. It's pretty powerful stuff. There's a bit of a learning curve to it, but once you can get it, it'll be really useful because you can record any activities that you have on your computer desktop. I, of course, am recording this video in shareX. As I said, it's an advanced tool. It's for recording examples of things that you want to demonstrate on your computer. PowerPoint has a functionality very similar to it, but the end result video isn't embedded in PowerPoint like you would when you're recording from in PowerPoint. This is a video recording tool that will allow you to simply be able to save that output video file and upload to your platform like Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams, etc., for your students to be able to access. Right? So, as I said, the name of it is shareX and it looks like this. If I open it up on my computer, you get it at this website, getsharex.com. When you go on ShareX's website, which looks like this, you click on download, and from download, you can just straight up download the latest version to your documents folder, or your downloads folder. I already have it there, and you run and install it. Once the software is installed, you can then see the shareX icon on your desktop. Now, because I'm already inside of shareX, I'm going to run through some screenshots to show exactly what's going to happen with respect to shareX, how it's going to look when you start up, etc. So when you start up shareX, this is what's going to happen. The shareX program would run. If you have a software such as OneDrive or Dropbox on your computer, as I do, you might get a notification that the hotkey registration has failed. That's just a notification that says one of the print screen keys that is on your computer is already being used by another application. You can just click OK and allow that to close. This is the main interface for shareX, right? We have the capture option, which is where we want to focus on. But before we get into actually capturing information in shareX, there's a little bit of setup that has to be done. If you want to be able to record your screen, then you're going to have to download a file that's associated with screen recording that shareX uses. This is a painless process. You just have to know what to click on to get it. So if you click on capture and then you click on screen recording, that's what you get to record your screen with some audio. But by default, we can't. ShareX doesn't have audio enabled, and there is also a file that they have to do that allows the computer to be able to record your screen. Both of these are very simple fixes. First of all, when you click on screen recording, then you get a prompt that says that your file for screen recording, FFmpeg, does not exist. Do you want to automatically download it? Yes, click yes, and the file will download. No problems once you are connected to the internet. Once that is finished, you should see a crosshair appear on your screen and an area that would allow you to be able to say, well, what portion of your screen you want to record. So anywhere inside of that portion, ShareX is going to record. If you move the mouse around, you're going to realize that you could record different sections. So I move the mouse around here and you notice that only the ShareX window has the dotted line around it. I moved it again to the edge of my screen and it stretched the dotted line to my whole desktop. So that's how I'm able to share things in shareX. So a quick example here is if inside of this video I wanted to take a screenshot, I could click on the shareX icon down here, and I could choose portions of my screen basically to capture. What part of my screen do I want to capture? I could actually drag an area alone and capture that area alone. So shareX allows you to show as much or as little of your screen as you want to. Cancel that for now by pressing escape, because when we want to record the screen, we will also want to record audio with the screen. And for that, we have to go into the task settings option. Once you click on task settings, the task settings dialog will come up, and you will have to select the screen recorder options. So click on screen recorder in the menu on the left, and then click on the button screen recorder options in the panel on the right. For your screen recorder options, you have to select your audio source. Most people would see something like internal microphone array, right? I have two options for microphones because I have a headset plugged in. So I have a microphone array, which is the microphone on the computer, and I have the external microphone, which is the microphone on my headset. Select the microphone array, which will capture your voice, and close off all the options. Once you've done that, you're ready to start to record your screen. How do you record your screen? By going into the capture option up to the top and clicking on screen recording. Once that is selected, then you will have to choose the area of your screen that you want to capture, which is, this is a screenshot of the area that I have selected, and that's it. You're able to record your screen. Once you are finished with your recording, and remember that everything that you do, so I can move around things on my screen and get it captured in this video, everything that you do within the area that you have selected, you're going to have recorded on your system. So that's it. Once you're finished, you'll notice down in the taskbar we have a little shareX option, and next to that we have a little red dot that says, if I hover over it, that says click to stop recording. At any point that I want to stop recording, I can click on this and my video would end. Once you have your video recorded to your satisfaction and you want to stop your video, you will click on the red button here to stop recording. Once you've stopped recording, then you can go to where your shareX videos are saved by default, which is going to be in your documents folder, inside of shareX, inside of screenshots, in a folder dated for the month, and your file is going to be inside of there. So you can always change your view to details and see the most recent file, and the most recent file will be the video file that you have recorded. So shareX is that easy. There's a little bit of setup to it, but once you've gotten rolling with shareX, all you have to do is have your resources ready, and then you're going to be able to start to record and post up your videos. These videos, as I said before, could be posted to Google Classroom. They could be posted to Microsoft Teams. If the video is small enough, you can share the video with your students over WhatsApp. Or if you are interested and you want to start your own little YouTube channel, private YouTube channel for your students to give them their videos, then you can always upload the videos to YouTube and make them accessible to your students or everyone. So thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in to this little shareX tutorial. I hope that some of you all are excited by the prospects of it, and happy teaching online. This is Mr. Valdez signing off. Bye-bye.